Okay, another day of trading. I'm a little late to the party today because I overslept a little bit, so I didn't get to do a lot of technical analysis before the market opens. Market opens in like 20 seconds. But what I did do, I did see what my pre-market and the news. The news is gonna be bad for Tesla today, so let's see how everything goes. Game time. Alright, right now I'm on Ford. Ford has some down momentum from pre-market. I don't know why they having down momentum from pre-market, because on Yahoo News said that it's opening up a new Kentucky operations plant. So let me go to SPY because Apple's supposed to have a good day today. Well, we're going to see how that works out. I just got in SPY. Good entry on SPY. Apple's supposed to have a good day, but Tesla has some bad news coming out about car production. They can't keep up with production. So that may hold our SPY down for a little bit. So let's see how it goes. Let's switch over to SPY right now. Oh, nice big green bar. I had a good entry on this. I think I had a good entry. I'm already up $240, $280 now. Let me pull my sell to close down, just in case it gets out of hand and I can't get out fast enough. Oh man, that's a beautiful green bar. Look at that volume there. But it's not moving like I want it to move. It's not moving fast enough, so I think it might you guys get comfortable, because I don't think this is going to be a quick 5-10 minute trade. Moving average is looking good. Just get comfortable. I got my coffee here. You see, I was just up $280 now. Now I'm up only 40. Up only 20 now. Let's see. I got 20 contracts at a good price because as time moves on inside the week, expiration is Friday on weeklies. So the contract is cheaper as the week goes on. So it's Wednesday, so the contracts are beginning to be cheap. Like on Monday, our contracts was expensive, but now since it's Wednesday, it's cheaper. So I got 20 contracts, so I don't need the stock to move up that far to get a good profit. Let's see. Our MACD is looking good. You see our MACD is about to cross up, so that's a good tell sign that we are in a upward momentum with SPY. Back up 140. Let me draw my support lines and resistance lines. That's pre-market resistance that I'm doing right now. That's the high of the pre-market. So if this second candle goes over the high of the pre-market, we know that it's not due for a reversal anytime soon. That's actually the high of the pre-market right there. So with the high being that far up, I think that the stock is going to try to reach that pre-market level before it reverses. So you see, we had a good step ladder right here. This is just beautiful. Okay, remember our moving averages. Purple is the 200, white is the 20, and yellow is the 50. You see, all of our moving averages is pointing in a upward progressive direction. So this is good. This means that, you know, we're not going to get caught in a reversal anytime soon. When I say anytime soon, I mean in like the next 10 minutes. I'm looking for that pre-market test to the upside from its resistance point. So Facebook, it did really good coming out the gate. Look at that. But Tesla, man, look at this. Tesla is gonna go down. Look at that big red bar. That bar is danger. You should stay away from Tesla right now. Tesla is actually stopping SPY from getting where it needs to be. Okay, we're at 320. Let's see if we could get we just got profit 320 from that. So that's in what? That's 6 minutes. That's pretty good. Not feeling confident about 4. I'm trying to see what else I could get into. I wanted to go ahead and get out of SPY because it was just moving too slow. It was unpredictable. I didn't feel confident in it, but we did get $320 from it. Okay, I got $3,000 to get into another option. So what am I gonna get into? I like Apple. Let me look at my news real quick. Let me see what's going on in the news. Apple has been having problems with the new iPhone, but man, it stays on the up and up. Look at this. Let me go to my 2 minute. This is good for entry level intra level day trading in the morning. The 2 minute. So you're looking at a snapshot of a price in 2 minute increments. You're looking at Apple right now. It came out the gate good, but it's trading sideways right now. And I kind of like it trading sideways. Let's see about Tesla. Let me what that 2 minute on Tesla looking like. Man, that 20 is pointing down. It's looking like it's about to cross over the 50, and it's still in a danger zone right now. Look at that MACD. It's like it's falling. Man, I'm itching to spend the rest of this $3,000. I have a cash account, so that's why I could trade every day. The PDT rule doesn't apply to me, so I try to spend all my money up. Okay, I'm feeling confident on this Apple. It's trading sideways, but it just crossed over. The 20 crossed over the 200, so I'm about to get inside this trade. Let's see, hopefully I have enough money. No, let me go down to 15. I'm for sure to have enough money then. Even though um, Apple is trading sideways, I like this because it's trading sideways, but our 20 just crossed over our 200, and the 50 is pointing slightly up. Let's see where we're gonna get our fill. Oh, yeah, man. Okay, we're in. Now, since we got into this with it going sideways, we might be in this trade for a little bit until it makes it move to the upside. And you see that red bar, the third bar, the red bar. I'm betting on this Apple to go above, slightly above that high. That's a high at 8:36 a.m. See, I got $449. If I'm going negative on this, I'm gonna average down because this is buyer's momentum right here. That crossover is just beautiful. That crossover is gonna hold. And if we do go down, the 20 moving average is gonna act as a support line. It's gonna be like the floor. So let me go down to 2. Now I'm up. I'm gonna have to wait until I'm down $15, $20, $30 again, which I know I'm gonna go back down. And click the buy button for averaging down. When you average down, you bring in your price lower that you paid for the stock by purchasing a contract that's the same strike price, the same expiration, but you purchasing it at a lower price. Just waiting on the right moment to get this average down. I'm gonna try to get maybe 176, 175. Right now it's trading at 183. I'm almost positive this is gonna go back down, because it has to build up its momentum again to meet the high of the day. The volume is still looking good. We have 447 profit today, and we have been on for 12 minutes. Let me draw my resistance line. That's our goal. We get to that line, we're out. Draw another line for the low of the day. This is just where the stock is going to be trading throughout the day. You draw support and resistance line in the pre-market of the high and the low. So if the stock goes above the pre-market high, you know that it's definitely in a bullish formation, momentum. If it goes below the resistance line, the support line, at pre-market, you know that the stock is going to go down into a bearish kind of momentum. We're still trading sideways. You see the stock is trading in between those two lines. That's my two resistance lines, the pre-market high and the high of the day. But it looks like we might about to break the line going down. but that's only to probably, like I said before, get to the momentum to reach a new high of the day. I could see it going down, but not passing the 20 moving average. You see, I got filled for those for me averaging down, and it brought my price down also. So I am 17 contracts in. I was 15 initially. I averaged down and got 2 at a discount. Be careful doing this, because if you average down and you continue to lose on the trade, it's going to be more money you losing because you have more contracts that you betting on. Right now, I'm down $200. This is more than half of what I just won. But my technical analysis is telling me that stay in the trade because it's still trading sideways. It hasn't picked a direction yet. And the direction that we're going to bet on is going up. So let's just be patient. Man, down 253. I might be down probably 300 soon. I could see that happening before I'm back positive. I can only see that because you see how the stock is moving down. It's inching closer to the 20 moving average. Okay, when it hit that 20 moving average and it don't fall below that floor, we're shooting straight up to the highest point of the day. That's why I'm not too nervous. I'm still confident in this trade. Just waiting right now. Here it goes. It's about to touch the 20. Textbook touches the 20 and bounces up. That's what we call a good bounce. Man, it feels good when your technical analysis is right and it happens just like you say it's going to happen. And that's only comes from studying and looking at charts over and over again, and pretty much just the amount of work you put in to looking at different charts and looking at different scenarios, reading books, watching YouTube videos, having a mentor. That's important to know. You're like, hey, I've seen this before. I know it's going to touch here and it's going to go there, because the stock market just repeats itself over and over again. That's how we could draw support and resistance lines, because it's like the stock market has a memory. Okay? It's like it just does it over and over again. So Tesla, the bad news really affected Tesla. Look at that. And I could guarantee you that SPY is down too. You see that? How SPY reached that top and now it's on the way down. All because of Tesla and Twitter. Man, Twitter has been doing bad for like a month and a half. It hasn't seen really good gains for a long time. So back to studying, while we make up for this initial down. I think it was down the lowest $300 some earlier. But while we make our money back, let me tell you about my book I have coming out. It's called $300 a Day in 30 Pages. Myself and My business partner, the person that helped me create this company of In the Money LLC, In the Money Team LLC. She helped me write the book. She did a lot of good advertisement productions, a lot of good ideas. She's part owner into the company. Her name is In the Money JO, ITM JO. She's gonna get on here soon and be doing some type of tutorials like this, but more in depth in candlesticks, and you guys are just gonna love her personality. She's energetic, she's funny. It's just awesome. But our website is called ITMTeamLLC.com. Check that out. Get our book on January 15th, and you will see everything that I know and that I'm doing right now in front of you, making this $500. It was just at $500. We shooting for $600 today. I want 10% of my account. Every day I'm shooting for 10% of my account. But get the book, read the book, understand. The book is a simple read. It's easy. It's 30 pages of how to do exactly this. How to read moving averages. How to read the news. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, ABC. We wrote it that way so that people who don't know about options, don't know about stocks, don't know about anything could read the book, get online, and buy your first option and get profit. Guarantee you. All right, so back to this stock. It's gonna reach that high today. It's gonna reach that, but it's not gonna reach that in this candle. The momentum isn't strong enough. The volume isn't strong enough. But maybe the next candle. We'll see. Let's see. Takes a lot of patience for this game. See that? Here we go. Bam, we sold. Let's see how much we got. You see how fast that was? Next candle. Bam, got it. Alright, well, hold on. You remember I averaged down 2 contracts? Now I have to sell those. It doesn't all sell at the same time. You have to sell it. Okay, $589. Let's see if we could get even 600 or over 600. Doing like an even 600 would just be so cool. Let's see. Remember I said it's gonna reach that high of the day. It's trying. That's the goal of it. Bam, we sold, and it reached the high of the day. Even 600. I literally just said that. Wow. Manifest that positive energy, people. Yes. Look at Tesla. Just bad. Twitter bad. I'm glad I didn't stay in SPY. I would have been like on edge staying in SPY. But we got $600. It took us 23 minutes maybe. Really good day.